This how to 1 minute will show you how to edit PHP.ini file on shared server. In this video, I will show you how you can edit the PHP.ini file on shared servers, Stellar, Stellar Plus, Stellar Business plans as well as Old Value, Professional and Ultimate plans. First of all, log into your Cpanel and open your file manager. Now, navigate to the root directory of the domain and click on New File and give the file name php.ini. Click on Create New File. Now it's time to edit the php.ini file. So right click on php.ini and click on Edit. And then here you will be able to easily edit your php.ini file. Once your editing finish, make sure to click on Save Changes. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe How to 1 Minute. See you in the next video.